Hey, what's up, man? Golf cart repairman again. Been doing it 22 years. Always something new. I'm gonna show you how to repair a battery stud today. We got a loose battery wire. It's melted. You can't get it off. You have to cut it off. But if y'all have a Fastenal or something like that sells hardware and stuff, you can get these repair studs. What you want to do is get your 1/4 inch drill bit, drill into the battery stud, into the lead right there, probably 1/2 inch down. You don't want to go too deep because you'll cause it to leak acid. Some people might say this don't work. I've seen it work thousands of times. Some people probably gonna say it hurts the battery. I've seen it last several years. 6 one way, 1/2 the other, man. We use them all the time. No problem. Sometimes they corrode a little bit. Other than that, man, they're really dependable. Get you a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Like I said, drill about 1/2 inch down. Alright, now that I have the hole drilled, now I'm going to put clean the aluminum out of the way here. Alright, now we got the battery holding up. Stick the stud in there. I use a battery nuts, 9/16. Put on the impact gun. Just like that. Then of course I'll have to cut this wire off here because I can't get it off. I have to cut this wire off. Give me a new battery wire, put on there and connect it there. And then you're good to go, man. Simple as that, dude. Simple as that, man. Some people don't believe in it. I've seen it work, man. A good way to save money. You can buy the stud for about $5 versus $50 for a used battery, or for a new battery, $100 and something. The main thing that causes this though is battery wires are loose where you didn't tighten them before, or when you put them on, you over tighten them and distorted the lead there. There's a fine line, man. I think it's like 6 inch-pounds or something like that, but don't hold me to it because I'm not 100% sure, man. Just don't over tighten them is the main thing. Don't ever use the impact gun to tighten them. Always use the insulated wrench. Alright, man. Thanks for watching, man. Hit the subscribe button, man. Trying to get some subscribers. Hit the button.